Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of cookware that's been making waves, the made-in Cookware 10-inch ceramic non-stick frying pan. Now, when we talk about non-stick, there's always a bit of skepticism, especially with so many options out there. But Made-in promises something a little different here, combining a robust construction with a truly high-performance ceramic coating. Let's start by talking about that construction. This isn't just a thin layer of metal. This pan boasts a premium 5-ply cladded construction. What does that mean for you at home? It means layers of metal expertly bonded together to create a pan that heats up incredibly evenly and responds quickly to changes in temperature. This is crucial for serious cooking, preventing those hot spots that can lead to burnt food in one area and undercooked food in another. The 5-ply build also contributes to the overall durability and longevity of the pan. Now, on to the star of the show, the ceramic non-stick coating. Made-in is very clear about what this coating is free from, and that's a big deal for many home cooks. It's PFAS-free, PTFE-free, PFOA-free, lead-free, and cadmium-free. This means you're getting a safe and healthy cooking surface, which is a significant advantage over older generations of non-stick pans. During my testing, I found that eggs slid around effortlessly, and searing delicate fish was a breeze. Cleanup was also remarkably easy, a quick wipe with a sponge and it was spotless. The pan dimensions are also worth noting. With a total diameter of 10.5 inches and a cooking surface diameter of 7.5 inches, it's a versatile size for everyday tasks. It's deep enough at 1.75 inches to handle a variety of dishes, from omelets and pancakes to sautéed vegetables and even smaller portions of pan-fried meats. The overall length, including the handle, is 19.25 inches, which gives you good leverage and control. One feature that often gets overlooked but is incredibly important is the handle. This pan features a stainless steel handle, designed to stay cool on the stovetop. In my experience, it performed admirably, staying comfortable to hold even after extended cooking periods. This is a testament to the thoughtful design and material choices Made-in has made. Versatility is another strong point. This pan is oven safe up to an impressive 550 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning you can start a dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven without any worries. And for those of you with induction cooktops, good news. This pan is induction compatible, working on all stovetops, making it a truly flexible addition to any kitchen. Made-in proudly states that their cookware is crafted in the USA with imported components, emphasizing their commitment to quality manufacturing. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are clear: excellent heat distribution and responsiveness thanks to the 5-ply construction, a truly non-toxic and effective ceramic non-stick surface, a comfortable and stay-cool handle, oven and induction compatibility, and the reassurance of being made in the USA. The ease of cleaning is also a massive pro. However, no product is perfect. While the ceramic non-stick is excellent, like all non-stick surfaces, it requires proper care to maintain its performance. You'll want to avoid metal utensils and extreme temperature changes. The price point, while justifiable for the quality, might be a consideration for some budgets compared to basic non-stick pans. Also, while the 7.5-inch cooking surface is good for many things, if you're consistently cooking for a larger family, you might find yourself wishing for a slightly larger cooking area, though Made-in does offer larger sizes in this line. In conclusion, the Made-in Cookware 10-inch ceramic non-stick frying pan is a premium cooking tool that delivers on its promises. It offers a fantastic blend of performance, durability, and healthy cooking. If you're looking for a high-quality, long-lasting non-stick pan that you can rely on for years to come, and you value healthy, well-cooked meals, this is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.